Fruit popsicles are a healthy alternative to ice cream after a long workout. Here's an easy-to-make, nutritional, and refreshing popsicle. The supplies you'll need are coconut water, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, a cutting board, a knife, and popsicle molds. First, wash and cut the fruit. Strawberries contain vitamin C, which improves your immune system. Blueberries help with balance and coordination. And raspberries improve your heart's health. Then, place the fruit in the molds and pour in the coconut water. This will provide you with a boost of energy. Put the lids on and place the molds in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours. Finally, take the popsicles out of the freezer and enjoy.